designer like myself and start your own business, our new starter kit is now available. The holiday season is quickly approaching, so don't hesitate to jump on board because it is the busiest time of the year for those holiday decor and DIY gifts, shirts, and more. Also, make sure you go online to my website, chuckcouture.com, where you can see all of our amazing products and services. Our new fall catalog is available online, full of amazing items and ideas, allowing you to see the variety of styles and themes available, as well as the ways Chuck Couture can create beautiful pieces that will have your friends and family asking where you found such great decor. To enroll, go over to chuckcouture.com/Nikki B Creates. I'll see you all again soon.